Every day, that's you and me. All day, that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing. See, I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now, I'm just too on. Maybe now I'm just too gone. Maybe now I'm just looking for that same vibe that you on. Cause I'm out here with my boys, going crazy in this bitch. Overseas, getting Benz, no Mercedes in this bitch. We made the album 9 months. Had a baby in this bitch. I'm with your babe on the run, like I'm Jay-Z in this bitch. I don't smoke a lot, but I get green. But ball out, no SBs. I caught you out, you got serving that beat stop. No.
So I've recently started supplementing with some new things. So here we have the L-theanine. This is 400 milligrams, so 1 tablet right after breakfast. I take this mainly for improved focus and better sleep. Next thing we have is a multivitamin, and here we have 1,500 milligrams of glucosamine sulfate, and this is just literally, as it says here, for your joint health. I literally just got off the toilet. It took me about 5 minutes to sit down and 5 minutes to get up because my legs are in agony. That's what happens when you train legs, guys. So you probably can't relate, I know. But if you can, well done you train legs. Also had a really nice visit from the postman halfway through that. So I had to turn into Usain Bolt and like speed off to get the... Update. I'm going to see the girlfriend right now. Honestly, it's probably like the best weather we have seen in England for a very long time. So I am very happy. But at the same time, really hot. It's looking messy. Man, I need to get a haircut quick time. But yeah, there's a plan right now. Hello! So, the plan for now is that...
my foot.
That was not in the plan. The plan for now is that we go into town and then she needs to get herself like some new pair of leggings or something like that. And then I need to get a new pair of headphones. Because I'm fed up of hearing everyone at the gym. So... Alright, babe. Of course I am. Update. Bank account has been broken. I purchased some new headphones, which I think will be amazing. Just checking if the mic's working. We got her leggings sorted.
Yeah.
And now we are heading off to eat. Probably eat, because I'm starving. So I'm looking forward to trying out my new headphones later on. So I'll probably see you guys at the gym.
We get along just fine here. On our own, what you offering? Another money mind. Oh, you wanna rob me blind? Well, I don't know this time. Oh, don't want me just to lie. Don't wanna feed the fire. Tell me what to do. Tell me You try to keep us down, but we are backing out, because the time is now. Screaming till you're breathless, till all the voices drown. But we ain't backing down. Oh, our time is now. Don't wanna get just a liar, don't wanna feed the fire. Tell me what to do. Hey, hey, listen to my heart, it's leading me for another. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do.
So, a little update. I've literally just finished up editing the rest of the video. So now I just wanted to kind of apologize for the inconsistent uploads, but I was just not too sure about what I want to upload, kind of thing. It's a bit more difficult than I thought, to be honest. It's one of those things where at the beginning it was like, oh, I'll do legs because I didn't record a leg workout then. Oh, I'll do back because they haven't seen my back workout. Making this video was really difficult because I actually lost a lot of clips for this video. I mean, I don't know where they went. I've searched everywhere. I've lost workout footage and I lost some morning footage and the bulking update information that I wanted to let you guys in on. And yeah, I've no idea where it went. It was there because I recorded it. I remember recording it. I remember even putting it onto the flipping editing software, and it's not there. So I don't know where that went. But yeah, for those that are interested, my bulking is going pretty alright, to be honest. It's so mixed because as you saw in the morning weigh-in, I'm weighing in around 78 kilograms, which means I've actually lost weight instead of gaining it. So I was weighing in at around 81 kilograms and I've dropped 3 kg. But I've hit 105 on bench the other day, so my strength is coming back up and I'm trying to get 120 on bench by the end of the year. So it's going the right way. Squats are alright. I'm trying to get 160, 180 on squats by the end of the year. I think that's pretty achievable. And then I'm also trying to get 180 deadlift. So hopefully these numbers will happen. They will happen. I know they will happen because I told myself they will happen. Oh, there you go. See that? It's all up here. Because if you don't believe in yourself, then your body's going to be like, yo, like, come on, mate, slacking, yeah? Literally what your body will tell you. I'm looking pretty chubby. That's why most of the workout footage is in a jumper. But, yeah, that's what I feel more comfortable in whilst on a bulk, in a jumper. So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, I'm really sorry about the inconsistent uploads. I'm really sorry about the length of the video, and I hope you guys forgive me. I will try and make it up to you guys in the next video, so let me know what you want to see and I'll try and make it happen.